Wear work gloves to protect your hands. Unplug the dryer. Remove the screws from the back panel. Remove the back panel from the dryer and set it aside. Disconnect the wires using a slot screwdriver to pry the wires off the spades if necessary. Remove the mounting screws from the heating element using a 1/4 inch nut driver and pull it off of the heater box. Remove the high limit thermostat from the existing heating element and install it on the new heating element. Position the new heating element on the heater box and line up the mounting screw holes. Insert the mounting screws and tighten them firmly. Properly connect the wires to the new heating element. Warning: for safety and to avoid damage to the new element, the wires must be properly connected. Position the back panel on the back of the dryer. Line up the mounting screw holes. Insert the mounting screws and tighten them firmly. Plug the dryer into the wall outlet.